Before you go into the video and watch on, I just want to say this video is going to be as raw as it gets because I didn't really edit this much. I wanted to let you guys see the real content behind how I actually filmed this and my thought process. This is really just sharing from my heart, so enjoy the video. I'll see you. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Demi, and in my channel I talk about travel, food, and recently personal finance. So I've just finished editing the video that you saw last week and I immediately wanted to film another one. I don't really have an outline today. I just wanted to talk about the cards that I've been using because I've always been mentioning about how I earn cash back on my expenditures. I think a lot of you would have a lot of questions about what kind of cards I use to actually get me like $40 to $60 back every month. So let me just bring you through it. I use the UOB EVOL card as you see here, the Crypto.com Ruby prepaid card, and also the UOB Absolute AMEX card. Before I embarked on the $400 expenditure every month, this was my setup. So UOB EVOL card, right, you just need to hit $600 every single month, meeting two categories. One is online payment, another one is mobile contactless payment. So what you do is that you actually add this card into your mobile wallet, let's say Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, and you spend using that. So technically this card has no use at all. I've never really brought this card out except to know the details, the card numbers at the back for online payments, but this card is totally useless. So you add it to your mobile wallet, and whenever you pay at a restaurant, you just use your handphone and use a paywave function, and that considers as online mobile contactless payment. You have to hit $600 a month, and it's pretty simple because what UOB EVOL offers is 8% cashback on these two categories and 0.3% for any other spending that you make on this card. 8% cap at $20 per category. What you essentially will spend is $250 per category, and that makes up to already $500. So all you need to do is spend another $100 on anything, and you meet the minimum spending of $600 in a month, and you get $40 back. So I believe many of us, my age, you will probably spend things like online shopping, or when you go to restaurants, you eat out, those mobile payments, and it can be easily hit. So I've been using this card for, I'm not sure if it's close to a year, but I've been using it for quite some time now, and I've always tried to hit the $600 a month. But if you can't hit $600 a month based on your own spending, right, don't worry. Just find those cards that don't have any minimum spending that you must do. For example, the UOB Absolute AMEX card that offers a 1.7% cashback on anything, almost anything. A caveat is that I think taxes is not counted for cashback here, so go and read the fine prints. I've used this on almost every single thing, and almost everything counts. Even using this to top up your GrabPay wallet, right, it also counts for cashback. So far there's no other cards that I know that allows for cashback on topping up prepaid cards. If you know of any, please leave them in the comments. I want to know too. So let's share some knowledge here. Yeah. How I pay for insurance premium is that because this is an AMEX card, not every single insurer will actually allow for AMEX payments, so make sure you check on that. I only have two providers, Prudential and Aviva, and both of them do not accept AMEX payments. So what I do is that I use this to top up to GrabPay, and from GrabPay I will use AXS to pay off the insurance premium monthly. So based on the amount that I have there, I will actually earn me 1.7% cashback. So let me get my phone so I can do the count thing. Okay, so let's say you spend, my insurance premium, I think if you've seen in my previous budget, is that endowment plan was almost $250. So 250 times 1.7%, that's $4.25 back in a month. And for my Aviva whole life premium is 195 times 1.7%, that's another $3.30. And that makes up to about $7 plus already. Yeah, so every single month, just by paying my insurance premiums, I'm actually getting back $7. If you can hit UOB EVOL $600 and $40 cap per for both categories, you will get almost $50 back. It's quite easy to get all these amounts back. I use these cards because I don't own a car, I don't pump petrol. Some cards out there require you to actually hit the different categories, such as groceries is one, pumping petrol is another one. I'm not sure what else, utilities if I'm not wrong. Cards like UOB 1, OCBC 365, they have a lot of categories to hit, which I feel it's not very worth it unless you're a very big spender. Every single month you spend a few thousands or like 1 to 2,000 and your earning capacity is on a different level. Right now what I'm addressing is only beginners just starting out, work, fresh grads who actually want to start using credit cards. So you can use this combination of cards, and yeah, you will probably get like $50 to $60 back every single month. Even for, okay, if you pay your insurance premiums on a yearly basis, right, please also use the UOB Absolute AMEX card and charge it to your GrabPay, then earn cashback on that. Because I mean 1.7% on, let's say, a $3,000 premium, that's $51 back. So I mean, it's free to apply if you hit the if you meet the minimum income category of like 30,000. So what I suggest is that you start working for a year already and then you get a credit card and use these to your advantage. Every single month getting back $50, in a year you get like $600. Isn't that worth it to just get a credit card? Make sure you pay your bills on time. Make sure you pay your bills on time. That's very important. You don't want to get an overdue payment. Like, every single bank charges very high interest if you don't pay your premiums on time. So make sure you set a reminder on your Google Calendar or whatever alarms that you have. Just set a statement reminder to say you need to pay your credit card bills, and definitely you will be able to take all these advantages. So my recommendation is, if you have started working for a year and you meet the requirements to get a credit card, please do go and get some. I sound like I'm always begging you guys with the please, but it's how much I feel everyone should do the same, because it is, these banks out there are basically offering you free money on your expenses, so why not just go ahead and do it. Okay, so guys, I was editing, there's a dog again. I was editing the video that I actually filmed last night about the credit cards, and not sure why, but this happened. You can see it's like a total blank screen at the back, and I'm not sure whether it's gonna load, so I'm filming this as a closing. Basically what I'm just trying to say is, if you have worked for long enough, take advantage of all the bank promos that they are offering. So whenever you sign up for a credit card, make sure you check out Money Smart and SingSaver. I'll link them in the description box below. So if you're new to a bank customer, you can sign up with them and get like free earpiece, free AirPods, free Apple Watch. Yeah. So when I sign up for my Absolute AMEX and my UOB EVOL, I actually had Sony headphones and earbuds. So I actually sold the headphones for like $350, and the earbuds, I'm actually using them for myself because my bill play died on me. So make sure when you sign up for new cards, go and check out SingSaver and Money Smart and see what you can get for new to bank customers. Yep. So that's all I have for today. Like the video, subscribe, and push the thumbs up. Let me know if there's anything you wanna see me research and talk about. For now, that's all I have for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.